Today I am reviewing the Crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM Kit, featuring two 32GB modules running at an impressive 4,800 MHz with a CAS latency of 40, is a powerful upgrade designed to transform your laptop's performance. Specifically built for compatibility with 12th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, this high-capacity memory kit is perfect for users who demand speed, reliability, and seamless multitasking in their day-to-day computing. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, software developer, or power user, this DDR5 RAM kit delivers the memory bandwidth and capacity needed to tackle the most intensive applications and workflows. One of the key advantages of this Crucial RAM kit is its ability to boost system responsiveness dramatically. With 64GB of ultra-fast DDR5 memory running at 4,800 MHz, your laptop will handle multiple heavy applications simultaneously without lag or slowdowns. Tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, virtual machines, and high-end gaming become smoother with faster load times and reduced stuttering. This level of performance means you can work and play without interruption, enhancing productivity and immersion in your favorite games. Additionally, this RAM kit supports Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo profiles, allowing users to easily overclock and fine-tune their memory settings for maximum efficiency. These profiles provide optimized settings pre-configured by Crucial, ensuring you get the best possible performance from your modules without the hassle of manual tuning. This is particularly beneficial for gamers and enthusiasts looking to push their hardware to the limits while maintaining system stability. Micron, the manufacturer behind Crucial, brings over 40 years of expertise in memory technology to this product. Every module undergoes rigorous testing at both the component and module levels to guarantee exceptional reliability and durability. This means you can trust this memory kit to deliver consistent performance over the long term, even under demanding workloads or extended gaming sessions. The form factor is a standard 262-pin SODIMM, designed specifically for laptops and small form factor systems that support DDR5 RAM. Running at a low voltage of 1.1 V, this memory kit is also energy efficient, helping to reduce power consumption and manage heat better, an essential feature for laptops where thermal performance and battery life are crucial. Whether upgrading your laptop for professional video editing, complex simulations, software development, or immersive gaming, this Crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM kit offers a significant performance leap. It supports the latest processor generations and ensures future-proofing for upcoming software demands. Installation is simple and straightforward, making it accessible even for users new to hardware upgrades. After installing this RAM kit, you'll immediately notice improvements in system speed, the ability to keep dozens of browser tabs open, faster application switching, and smoother multitasking between demanding programs. The increased memory capacity also means your system can handle larger datasets and memory-hungry applications with ease, enhancing workflow efficiency. In summary, the Crucial 64GB DDR5 RAM Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to maximize their laptop's performance and longevity. It combines high-speed data transfer, large memory capacity, and advanced overclocking capabilities with trusted Micron quality and energy efficiency. Whether for gaming, professional work, or everyday use, this memory upgrade unlocks the full potential of your laptop and ensures it stays responsive and powerful in today's fast-paced digital environment.